the mother to be?
She'd be better if the father who was better at being the father who is. I sometimes think I'd be better off pairing with a decoy.
I'm sure Drake will make a marvelous dad when the family arrives.
Not him! Duck my name and duck my nature, ducking out of all of his responsibilities.
Well, how much longer do you have to go?
Well, by my reckoning, they should be out by now. I went to all my prenatal hatching classes run by that self-satisfied sportsman. She said about half a month, but 2 weeks is up.
Well, the best things come to those who wait.
I don't know. Why do we put ourselves through it? I mean, every spring it's exactly the same.
Just think of the rewards. All those lovely little ducklings.
Yeah, and all those beaks waking you up at all hours, putting into deep water,
Attracting unwanted admirers. Like the cat? Why do we put ourselves through it? Cause when you hear that dibble dabble, you're proud to say, hey, that's my rabble. Then watch their